Everyone, you most welcome for this program. Today I have a wonderful thing for you, and I hope that you are going to enjoy it. You're very much aware that thieves for fun are always there, and the normal steal you form when you are not aware. Even if you have food you found maybe in a bag, or you have it in your hands, or you have placed it maybe on a table in your house, whatsoever, wherever it is. Yes, they normally come and steal it. But today I will be showing you how you can trap these fools. These fools that normally come and grab your phone. They normally come and grab your phone, can you imagine? But today I will be showing you how you can trap them with one of the superior tools that I have it here. It is very simple. The app is called the app locker. It is called the app locker. You can go and just it on the Google Play Store. If you don't get it there, you can go and try with the Google Chromes. If you have failed there, and I hope you are going to get, because for me I also got it from there. You can also inbox me in case maybe you are not getting this app. This app is really superior, and it's going to make those thieves look like a fools. Can you imagine? You are going to catch them red-handed. Red-handed. Can you imagine? You are going to catch them red-handed. I'm telling you. So how can you do that? It's very simple. So when you are done with downloading the app, I'm going to show you the app that I'm talking, and make sure that the icon look like the way mine do, because you're going to get many apps, and all doesn't mean that those apps they do the same thing like this one does. So I'm going to be showing you the thing that I'm talking about. You understand? This is the app that I'm talking about. Sorry about that. This is the app. This one here is the one that I'm talking about, the app locker. That is the thing. You can use that app to track these fools that normally work very hard to steal your phone, and they take that ownership from you to them. But today I'm going to show you step by step how you can catch these people. This is the demo how this app work. And I hope that you will enjoy it. So guys, to do that, I'm going to click on my app. Like I told you earlier, this is the app that we are talking about. This is the app. This one here, that one. It will look like that. So I'm going to click on it right away like this. Then this is the interface of the start. It will look like this. It is very simple.
Hello everyone, I want to tell you about.
Sorry about that. So as you can see, I'm going to just go and say continue with the app. I'm going to say continue again. As you can see, my photos is there. I've already done my configurations with all those things. I'm going to say start. This app also is secured. It is too secured. You can see that it has the pattern here. When you're doing the installation and the configuration, you'll be given a time to enter your configurations credential. I will just draw my pattern because I know it. Yes, like that. Here is the dashboard for my app. All these are the other apps that are running on my phone here, and this app also has the access onto those apps. So as you can see, these are the themes. This one, the personalized lock screen, So I'm not interested into that thing. I'm interested into this part here, which is said no one touch my phone. This is the thing that I'm talking about. This is the thing. This one here, have you seen that? That is the thing. that I'm talking about. You can just use that path there to catch those guys there. So guys, to do that, I'm going to click on the what? No one touch. You understand? No one should touch your phone. Even you yourself, if you come to touch the phone, guess what? Their app will also make that panic alert. You understand? The panic alert will be alarming. You understand? It will be alarming loudly, and if maybe you are somewhere far from the phone, the person will be scared, and before you come there, the person might have thrown your phone. And if the thief is trying to steal your phone, maybe in the bag, you are going to catch the ends of the thief right under it, and there it is. So I'm going to be click on the app and I show you. It's very simple. Let me click on this one here. No one touch, like that. This is the demo. Just let me just say it, Garrett. As you can see, I have this path here, which is the call alarm. I mean, the sound is like the alarm. You can be doing your setting, but I like the other this first one here, the first sound, because it's really very nice. I like that sound is very nice. It can clearly be heard from somewhere far. So to do that, I'm going to also increase the time. This is the time that maybe countdown. At what time should this start? So I'm going to leave mine like what, 3. You can also set like maybe. So it depends the main minutes how you want the main minutes. But for me, I would like it to have like the minimum one is what, is 3. The minimum one is 3. You cannot go beyond 3. So I'm going to say start. I click on my start button, and there it is. Leave your phone like that and do your thing.